my hair today. I have to be pretty quiet because I'm about to watch a movie. Anywho, what I here today is this is my kitchen. It is a Harbor Breeze. I really have no clue what kind of Harbor Breeze this is. Just like the other Hampton Bay, which I found out was a Thai Breeze. But it does have the classic metal Harbor Breeze pendant. This thing only costs like $30. It's kind of funny. In 2015, Harbor Breeze still makes their pendants metal, but Hampton Bay makes them plastic. Telling it away how much better Harbor Breeze is doing. Anywho, I'll go ahead and turn the fan on. There it is. There, fine. I would like to know what kind of Harbor Breeze this is in the comments, if that'd be nice. Ah, you can just feel that breeze coming from that fan now, can't you? I really just have no clue what kind of Harbor Breeze this is. By the way, the chains normally do not come that long. Just has some spare extensions laying around. I made them go down a little longer. This fan for $30. It looks pretty good. It has a pretty small motor. You can actually see through the motor housing. I always wonder why companies did that. Why would they waste so much space in the motor housing? Nearly a tiny motor, and would just waste so much space. And it makes me wonder. Okay, you might have the running capacitor up in the motor housing. I'm gonna put it on medium. Give me a second. Its pull change can get stuck a bit, so I had to unjam it. It's noisy. The medium. Still feel a breeze from it. Now, I did not install this fan. What I did, I forgot the little canopy so you could see all the mounting hardware out for the entire world to see. It's 90 since in our house, not in public or anything like that. That doesn't really matter. I'm put it on low now. This fan has a pretty graceful low, in my opinion. I like this fan a lot. It has decent looks. Personally, I would have preferred something like a Harbor Breeze Classic up here for Rogan, since we did go for a Harbor Breeze. Although, in all honesty, I probably would have gone for a Hunter Original. But of course, I'm not gonna get a Hunter Original anytime soon. Oh yes, you can see this thing turn around everywhere. Too, right? Look funny. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. More videos to come. P.S. Please do leave a comment on what kind of fan this is, because I really have no clue. Goodbye.